that's where we're at. See that little piece of blue? That's all I gotta get to. One bolt. Theoretically, not that tough. Alright, so I was able to get it unplugged and one of the vacuum tubes off, but getting my hand up there to that bolt is very hard to get leverage. So I'm going to see if I can get, that's a 12 millimeter by the way, I'm going to see if I can get a small impact, battery impact in there. Alright, this is the setup I have on there. I got a little impact in there. Not very easy to get that in there. It's tight, super tight. The impact is not able to pull that bolt off. So the struggle is real. I can't film and show you what the setup is at the same time because it's you can barely squeeze a hand in there. So pausing. Okay, you can tell we're at the top of the engine now because what I decided to do, because I can't get that off, I'm gonna relocate it. I've seen other people on the internet say they ain't had no problems relocating it. I don't know if I can get in there, but here it is. If I can get my hand out of the way and give you some, hold on a second. Get some light on it. And I'm just gonna, there it is. I'm just gonna zip tie it to these lines here and go from there. I started to round out the bolt that was attached to the block. I don't know why in the heck it's so tight, but it's not worth the hassle or the heartache. Just plug in the new one and get it out of the way where it don't get burnt on nothing, and zip tie it to that. And then I'll clear the codes and go from there. So I'll zip it up, let you see the final zip up, and then we'll see how that works. Okay, there it is. I'll move my finger out of the way so it'll focus a little, maybe. Plan C. It's zip tied in 2 spots to, I don't know, power steering line and some bracket on the firewall. I'll show you down here on the passenger side as we get in there. Get it to focus at all. There it is. So they're in the middle of the screen. Not fancy, but it's better than it was. I couldn't get it. I mean, the original mounting spot's about a foot away, but the hoses aren't kinked and everything, so hopefully that'll get it. I'll clear the codes, drive it around for a day, and let you know if it comes back.